Hey Katiktik, this is Honor X9A, model number RMO-NX1. So the problem of this is Google account or FRP. So I will disconnect the internet or Wi-Fi. As you can see, it is not skip and asking for FRP or Google account. So turn off your phone and then I will show you the test point. Disconnect first the battery into the terminal, and then this is the test point. Connect to the ground, the small one. And you see, small one, the small point beside the big one. So let's open the tool and go to Huawei tab and then type RMO-NX1, then short to the ground, test point, short to the ground, then connect type C data cable. Now not detected. Connect and disconnect until the phone detected. So as you can see, it's detected. Now connect the battery, and then here you can see the Qualcomm, and then click erase FRP. Wait for the toll until the process complete.
Wala bang pinagawa dito si Omar Manay? Okay na?
Rebooting okay now. Phone is okay and already reboot. So phone automatically open. Now we will wait the phone to open and set up until we can go into the home screen. If this video can help you, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. We will wait for a while. It takes 2 to 5 minutes in order to open our phone. So as you can see, it is skip in the Wi-Fi portion. Now we can go to now and use the phone. I did not show you how to disassemble the phone, so you can refer to other tutorial how to disassemble X9A Honor. Now phone is open. Thank you for watching Katiktik. Don't forget to like and subscribe.